Okay, so if I used, well, we don't know which one to pick, so we're just going to pick one. If I take this first one and I try to apply it to this guy, this is saying that the sine of some angle, like 25 degrees, is the same thing as the cosine of 90 minus that angle. So same theta, so if I put 25 degrees here, I have to put 25 degrees here. So that cofunction tells me that sine of 25 is really the same thing as cosine of 65. Now, how I want to apply that here is this is sine squared. So if I square this side of the identity, I can square that side. So instead of saying sine squared of 25, that's the same thing as cosine squared of 65. And then any ideas why this is much better than what we started with? You see how these angles are now the same? Sine squared of some angle plus cosine squared of some angle always equals 1. That's the first Pythagorean identity. It just has numbers plugged in. So the answer to that question is 1. So even though I don't know what the sine of 25 degrees is, and I don't know what the sine of 65 degrees is, using this cofunction, I can say the sine of 25 is the same thing as the cosine of 65, and by making that change, now it doesn't matter that I don't know the cosine of 65 or the sine of 65, because sine squared of an angle plus cosine squared of the same angle is always going to be 1. That's the first Pythagorean identity. That's always true.